Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to Audiorista's Quick Start videos. Today, we'll go over how to add the required legal policies, terms of service and privacy policy, to your app. You'll find these in the General section under My App. The General section itself is simple, but it's key to meeting App Store and Google Play Store requirements. Your app must provide a terms of service and a privacy policy before it can be released. The first field you'll see is Name, which is the display name of your app on the user's device home screen, just like this. Next is the Legal subsection. Here you have two options. You can use and edit our existing templates for these policies, or you can link to external web pages where your terms of service and privacy policy are already hosted. This second option is great if you've already established these policies on your own website or web shop. The last subsection covers language settings. Depending on your plan, you can offer your app in additional languages beyond English. If you choose to use our templates, feel free to edit them to fit your needs. They're just starting points and not legal advice. To edit a policy, simply click Edit, review the text, and make any changes you want. You can also delete the entire template and paste in your own text. When you're done, click Submit. If you want to link to an external page instead, toggle Use External Link, paste the URL, and then save using the button in the bottom right corner of the screen. No matter which option you choose, these policies will be linked in various parts of the app, such as login screens, paywalls, and settings screens. That covers everything you need to know for adding legal policies. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your app with Audiorista.